In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and compile a moving average crossover expert advisor for MT5 using ChatGPT. We'll start by getting ChatGPT to write the trading robot for us. Then we'll bring that code into MetaEditor, make a few quick tweaks like lot size and risk settings, and compile it into a working expert advisor. Keep your MT5 or MT4 platform installed and ready, and decide upfront which platform you're targeting, because MT5 uses MQL5 while MT4 uses MQL4. Begin by opening ChatGPT and giving it a clear, specific prompt. Clarity here saves time later. For example, you can say, write an MT5 expert advisor using moving average crossover. Use copy buffer, include stop loss, take profit, and lot size input. The important parts are specifying MT5 or MT4, stating the entry logic, in this case a moving average crossover, asking it to use copy buffer for indicator data, and requesting inputs for stop loss, take profit, and lot size so you can adjust them easily inside the platform. ChatGPT will then generate the EA code for the platform you specified. Once the code is ready, open your trading platform and launch MetaEditor. Inside MT5 or MT4, click Tools, then MetaQuotes Language Editor. In MetaEditor, click New, choose Expert Advisor, Template, and give your bot a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. This creates a basic file with the correct structure. Now replace the template code with the code that ChatGPT generated. Paste it over the entire template and save the file. Before compiling, review the inputs at the top of the code, adjust the default lot size to match your risk, and set your preferred stop loss and take profit values. If the code exposes indicator settings, like fast and slow MA periods or applied price, you can tune those right now. Make sure the code targets the right platform. MT5 syntax and functions differ from MT4. So if you asked for MT5, confirm you're working in an MQL5 file. When you're ready, click Compile. The compiler will either confirm success or show errors and warnings at the bottom. If errors appear, don't worry. Copy the error messages and paste them back into ChatGPT along with your code and ask for a fix. Common issues include mismatched types, missing handles for indicators when using copy buffer, or mixing MT4 and MT5 functions. Apply the suggested fixes, save, and compile again until you get a clean build. That's it. You've generated, edited, and compiled your EA using ChatGPT and MetaEditor.